Hi, this is Bob. I'm a guide with Get Set Up, and I want to introduce a course that we're offering called Medicare Dates You Need to Know. Now, you may know that you become eligible for Medicare when you're 65. Most people do. But as far as the actual dates and timing of signing up, there's a lot that you need to understand to make sure that you are ready to go. If you want coverage to start when you're 65, you need to sign up a little bit earlier. And we'll cover the requirements in this course. For some people, it's sometimes advantageous to wait till after they're 65, but you have to be careful because if you wait too long, you can end up paying a penalty. And in some cases, there are penalties that can go on for the rest of your life. Other circumstances are, what if you're over 65, but your spouse has coverage that you're covered under? Another thing to think about is if you want to change your Medicare plan after you've already been in it for a year or more, there are certain dates on which you're eligible to change your coverage. So these are all things that we will cover in our Medicare Dates program, and I hope I will see you there. Thank you.